Welcome to Quick Speak. Today we're learning the second confidence trick, developing a simple conversation in English. Let's go.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. What are you doing today?
I'm working in the morning and studying later.
What do you study?
I study English online.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I try to practice a little every day.
That's great. How long have you been studying English?
For about 2 years now.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I enjoy it because it helps my career.
Do you use English at work?
Sometimes, especially in emails and meetings.
Is it difficult to use English at work?
At first it was, but now I feel more confident.
What helps you feel confident?
Practicing simple conversations like this.
That makes sense. Where do you work?
I work in an office near my home.
Do you like working there?
Yes, I like the people and the environment.
What do you usually do after work?
I usually relax or watch something online.
What do you like to watch?
I like short videos and simple English content.
Do you watch videos in English often?
Yes, it helps me improve my listening.
That's a good idea. Do you study alone or with others?
Mostly alone, but sometimes with friends.
Do you speak English with your friends?
Yes, we practice short conversations.
What topics do you usually talk about?
Daily life, work, and future plans.
Speaking of plans, do you have plans for the weekend?
Yes, I plan to rest and study a little.
That sounds nice. Do you prefer staying home?
Yes, especially when I'm tired.
What do you like to do at home?
I like reading and listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like calm music, especially in the evening.
Do you listen to music while studying?
Sometimes, but only soft music.
Does it help you focus?
Yes, it helps me relax.
That's interesting. Do you drink coffee or tea?
I usually drink coffee in the morning.
How many cups do you drink a day?
Usually 1 or 2 cups.
Do you drink coffee in the afternoon?
No, I try not to.
Why not?
Because it affects my sleep.
That's smart. How many hours do you sleep?
Around 7 hours on weekdays.
Do you sleep more on weekends?
Yes, a little more.
Do you wake up early during the week?
Yes, I wake up around 6.
Is it hard for you to wake up early?
Sometimes, but I'm used to it.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
I check my phone and have breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat fruit and bread.
Do you cook at home often?
Yes, especially on weekends.
What do you like to cook?
Simple meals like pasta or rice.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, it helps me relax.
That's nice. Do you like eating out?
Yes, but not very often.
What kind of restaurants do you like?
Simple places with good food.
Do you go out with friends?
Yes, sometimes on weekends.
What do you usually do together?
We talk, eat, and relax.
Do you talk in English sometimes?
Yes, we try to practice.
Is it strange at first?
Yes, but it gets easier.
What helps it get easier?
Not worrying about mistakes.
Do mistakes bother you?
Not anymore. I just keep talking.
Is it hard for you to wake up early?
Sometimes, but I'm used to it.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
I check my phone and have breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat fruit and bread.
Do you cook at home often?
Yes, especially on weekends.
What do you like to cook?
Simple meals like pasta or rice.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, it helps me relax.
That's nice. Do you like eating out?
Yes, but not very often.
What kind of restaurants do you like?
Simple places with good food.
Do you go out with friends?
Yes, sometimes on weekends.
What do you usually do together?
We talk, eat, and relax.
Do you talk in English sometimes?
Yes, we try to practice.
Is it strange at first?
Yes, but it gets easier.
What helps it get easier?
Not worrying about mistakes.
Do mistakes bother you?
Not anymore. I just keep talking.
That's a great attitude. How often do you practice English?
A little every day.
Do you practice alone or with other people?
Mostly alone, but sometimes with friends.
What do you do to practice alone?
I watch short videos and repeat phrases.
Do you listen to music in English?
Yes, it helps with pronunciation.
Do you speak English at work or school?
Not often, but I try when I can.
What is hardest for you in English?
Speaking fast without thinking too much.
What is easiest for you?
Understanding simple conversations.
Do you feel more confident now?
Yes, much more than before.
What advice would you give to beginners?
Practice every day and don't be afraid.
Do you practice English in the morning or at night?
Usually at night, after dinner.
How long do you study each day?
About 10 minutes.
Do you use apps or videos?
Both. Short videos are my favorite.
Do you repeat phrases out loud?
Yes, it helps me remember.
Do you ever talk to yourself in English?
Yes, when I'm alone.
What do you talk about?
My day and my plans.
Does that really help?
Yes, it builds confidence.
That's a good attitude. Do you travel often?
Not often, but I like traveling.
Where would you like to travel?
I'd like to visit another country.
Why do you want to travel?
To learn about new cultures and practice English.
Do you think English helps with travel?
Yes, it makes everything easier.
Do you use English online?
Yes, especially on social media.
Do you write in English?
Sometimes, short comments or messages.
Is writing harder than speaking?
A little, but practice helps.
How do you practice writing?
I write short messages every day.
That's a good habit. Do you read in English too?
Yes, simple articles and posts.
Does reading help your speaking?
Yes, it gives me new words.
Do you review new words?
Yes, I try to use them in sentences.
Can short conversations be successful?
Yes, very successful.
What is the key to developing conversations?
Listening and responding naturally.
What mindset helps the most?
Confidence over perfection.
Where can I learn how to finish sentences with confidence?
In the third chapter in the next episode.
Where can learners continue practicing?
On Quick Speak Q&A. See you in the next conversation.